Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will show you how to install Vibium on your system for Python. As you know, Vibium is a AI generated automation test framework. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. I'm at computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to install Vibium for Python on your system. In order to do that, I set it up topics this way. First, we need to check the Python version because Vibium works for Python 3.9 or higher. You need to check with this command python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. If you see your Python install version less than 3.9, then you need to install newer version of Python. Then you need to create a project folder. You can do that through the command prompt with this command, or you can do it manually. Then with this command you need to set up Python virtual environment and activate. Thereafter you need to install Vibium with this command pip install Vibium. If you already have Python installed, it comes with pip, so you can install anyway. Thereafter you need to create Python file. Create a Python file hello.py. You can name any name, but I just mentioned hello.py. Thereafter, you need to copy paste the code from the Vibium website. Then thereafter, you can run. So it's a very simple, but we need to follow the step. First, where you will get the Vibium. So you need to go to the vibium.com. Then end of the page, you see the GitHub link, click there. Then you need to click the docs folder. Then you need to click tutorials folder. Once you click tutorials folder, multiple file will open. Here is a file getting started python.md. You need to click on that file. Then you will get all the necessary information what needs to do for your Python installation purpose. First thing, we need to check the Python version whatever I have. So let me open the command prompt. In this location, I'll create the project folder. That's why I'm opening command prompt from here, cmd. Here we need to check Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. Then hit enter. You see Python 3.14.3. That means it is higher than 3.9. So that means it will work. So thereafter, you need to create a project folder over here. Let me create a project folder, new folder. Let's say Vibium test. This is our project folder. In the command prompt, we need to navigate on that cd Vibium test. Then hit enter. You are in that location. Then go to the instruction on your installation instruction. Already we have Python version. We don't need to install. We created project folder. Then we need to create our virtual environment. Copy this command and go to the command prompt. Paste. Then hit enter from keyboard. We have an empty folder before. Once we will create the environment, you will see there is a lot of file and folders in there. It will take little time. It is completed. Thereafter, we need to run another command, which is this one. We need to activate that. Then again, edit, paste. Then hit enter from keyboard. You see, it is created. Now, the instruction is we need to install Vibium. Install Vibium, that command is pip install Vibium. Copy from here and paste it over here. Edit, paste. Then hit enter from keyboard. It will take little time, not that much. It is installing, almost done. It is completed. Now you need to create a file hello.py or any name. Let me follow whatever it is. Let me go to the location. You see all the file is over here. So now we need to create a file, new text document, hello.py. Delete the extension .txt and click outside. It will give you the change option. Click yes. Our file is created over here. Now you can run it from the command prompt in this way. Also, you can use any other editor. I'll use PyCharm editor. PyCharm editor, especially for Python. We need to open that folder in over here. Click open. Then we need to navigate on that folder. Our folder is under software testing, Vibium test. Select that, then click OK. Project is opening in PyCharm IDE. It is setting up, indexing and anything. It will take little time, but automatically it will done within very few seconds. It is almost done. You see the progress over here. Updating, everything is working. Okay, it is done. Now here is the hello.py file. We need to work on this file. You need to write your code over here. The sample code already provided. They have copy from there up to this. Copy. Then paste it over here. This is our Vibium code. We'll just do little modification. Let's say not example.com. We'll do google.com. Also here is google.com. As it is a simple test, just we'll open the browser, then it will close it. We are not taking a screenshot right now. Let me comment this thing up to this one. Only thing, it will open the Chrome browser with google.com. Then it will print the console message loaded google.com. Thereafter it will close the browser. Then it will print the message as a done. Once it is completed, save it, Control S. Then you can run it from here. Run hello.py. Click over here, py. You see browser opens and it will Google navigate it. It is done. You see it is loaded google.com. It is also printed and also it is clicked done. That means installation very successful. That's why it ran the fast script. I believe those who are new in Vibium as well as software automation testing, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.